the people feel happy when they feel they're growing, not the money, it's a growth, or they feel I'm achieving something. Another good important factor is discretionary power of, or maybe the feeling of the control, I should say.
I would like to present my interest of the shared factor between 3 steps of humanistic management and decent work. Decent work was advocated by ILO, as I said, and this is the perspective from tripartism. Tripartism means these topics should be discussed by government, employers, and workers. We have a psychological contract. Psychological contract can be identical as a powerful source of high commitment. So Japanese workers are known as high committed workers. So productivity movement initiated from 1955 after the World War. We have a nationwide agreement of productivity enhancement movement.
This table shows the correlation between the 3 indexes and the 10 factors. The result is very important, I think. The most important result is a correlation between the triangle density and trust in colleagues. Strong correlation. The complexity of gratitude network data mostly equal to trust within team members.
80% was very happy because that they said, oh, our stress was reduced because we don't have to commute, and then Japanese trains and those systems are terrible, so they're happy. 80% is happy. And then the 60% felt that they felt stressed because they have to stay in the house. And then amazingly, 58%, which is 60% almost, felt my work is actually good for the telework.
The problem right now is that the workers themselves have no access to voice their needs. So the key actions and the purpose of the platform, the main platforms I just emphasized, but it's really important to stress the importance, is to promote inclusive society and sustainable economic growth. It goes hand in hand. So I try to talk to the corporations that by doing this, they'll be stronger.
And the aim here of the network is, from our understanding, is that human dignity should be given under all circumstances. But COVID is an unprecedented time and an extremely exceptional circumstance. And we think human experience offers an opportunity for learning. And so the graduate and current students are change agents for the future, and we'd like to have active stakeholder engagement with them.
And I think that leads me to one of my main concerns in the future is that I have seen a lot of people hasn't really learned about this situation. And I think that's my main issue, that they will not learn from this situation, and in the future they will make the same mistakes they did.
To me, being human during COVID is a wake-up call to rethink about our current practices. I now know that we can slow down and take care of the environment. I now know that we can work remotely. We don't need to go to the office all the time, but we can also have this systematic approach of just working from home.